Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 豚の味噌炒め丼. It's a rice bowl, topped with pork, seasoned with miso, and soft-boiled egg. So rich, nutritious, and satisfying dish, and it's not too difficult to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 豚の味噌炒め丼, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 400 grams of thinly sliced pork, any part you like, but it's thinly sliced, 1 onion, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons each of mirin, sake, and miso, 1 tablespoon each of sesame oil and grated ginger, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, and some green onion to garnish. I'm going to prepare the rice first, so let's rinse it. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Let's put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Cover with the lid and let it sit for half an hour. This will give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's make soft-boiled eggs. Prepare 1 liter of fully boiling water. Turn the heat off. Add 1 cup of cold water and the eggs. Cover with the lid and let it sit for 20 minutes with the heat off. The eggs have been left for 20 minutes, so let's take them out in ice water to stop cooking. And the rice has been soaked for half an hour, so let's start to cook. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. In the meantime, let's finish all the cutting. So green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut it into half. Put them together. Cut them into half. Put them together. And let's just make thin slices. And this is the garnish at the end. So let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. And onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half and slice this way. The rice is now boiling. Turn the heat to low as you can go and let it cook for 12 minutes. cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. Now, it's time to make the pork topping. Let's make the seasoning mixture. You just need to put all these seasonings in one bowl and mix. Miso, sake, mirin, sesame oil, soy sauce, and grated ginger. Give it a good mix to dissolve miso. And the seasoning mixture is ready. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. And let's cook pork and onion. The heat is medium to medium high. Once the pork is half cooked, add onion. And keep cooking until the pork is completely cooked. Looks like both pork and onion are well cooked. So let's add the seasonings. Keep cooking for a minute. Okay, turn the heat off and the pork topping is ready. It's time to assemble them into a rice ball. Fluff rice. Serve in the bowl. Pork topping, make a little dent in the middle. Crack soft-boiled egg in a small bowl. Slide it into the dent. Sprinkle some green onion. And 豚の味噌炒め丼 is ready to go. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚の味噌炒め丼 goes here and it also covers the main. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about bean sprout miso soup here, zucchini no cheese yaki for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!